Good morning, students. Today we will continue our remaining portion of the chapter. But before we start our today's session, let us have a small recap what we had learned till now.
In previous video, we had talked about diversity. Diversity means it is a difference between people. We found difference in discussing of diversity comes to know many things between people. Difference only creates the birth of all the types of diversity. Next, we had talked about prejudice, preconception, opinion without knowing the truth. Sometimes it happens with some people. Without knowing him properly, we may create one image or idea and start believing on it, and that is he or she may like this or like that. Next, we had talked about in India or in a world, there are 8 major religions, 16 major languages. In India, official languages English and Hindi. 100 types of dance form we found in India in different regions with their folk dance. Next, we had even talked about in prejudice that some people may eat vegetarian food or some were eating non-vegetarian food. In that, we had talked about that. Let us have an example of class. You may eat vegetarian, and in one of your classmate is eating non-vegetarian food and brings in the lunch. When you see the lunch in the break, your reaction is something different. That preconception, on that base, you start judging the people on the base of their food, habit, dressing sense, languages, the pronunciation, and that creates prejudice in our mind. Next, we had talked about stereotype. That stereotype that boys never cry, this is a common thing that we found in our home. Girls is a crying baby doll. This is a one type of stereotype we found regarding the girls. Another mindset is the boys are stronger and girls are weak. When the people fix it into one image, that is called stereotype. Now, today's topic is disabled. The physically challenged children's that is known as disabled. Now this term has been changed and used in the children with the special need. You can look at this picture. What we see, the people earlier called disabled or handicapped. This is a common stereotype mentioned. They are not allowed to be part of regular school, social and cultural activities, and these types of people are termed as special need people. We have to understand that they are also being part of society like us. Some have special needs. When are we using stereotype? When we fix people into one image and that creates stereotype. Some terms are being used like country, religion, sex, race, economic backgrounds. Means when we are talking about stereotype, there are some people are good. No, there are some bad peoples also in our society, and some are sting people, and there are some generous people or world, even country and even poor people, religion, every group, whether it is rich and poor, male or female. We have different kinds of people, and just because some people do some bad, is it fair to think every people one belongs to that country or religion, social group, band, and this create a stereotype image in the mind. Demerits of stereotype. We stop looking at each other in having unique individual quality of his or her skill that are different from other. They fit a large number of people into only one pattern. And this affects all of us. They prevent us from doing certain things that we might be good at all. Inequality and discrimination. So let us see the definition of discrimination. Discrimination is an act of making distinction between human beings on the basis of their group, class, category they belongs to. Let us have an example of discrimination. Here is a picture of Mahatma Gandhi, who has faced discrimination. Even he has faced discrimination while he was in South Africa. One of the incident is taken from the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Despite he had tickets the first class railway, he was meant to sit other small class because he was discriminated on the being of white. Another example, Europeans came to India and they considered Asian and Indian to be a lazy, poor. In spite of all, Indians are not lazy and weak, not even well educated. Discriminating practices and negative effects regarding the particular class. Discrimination in society in various ways. Discrimination can be in the form of stop them from taking part in certain activities and taking up jobs. Even stop from leaving certain neighborhoods. Stop them from taking water from the same well, hand pumps, and even not allow them to drink tea in the same cup or glass. This shows discrimination against them in the society. Discrimination can take on the basis of their languages, because the group of people who may speak a certain languages, follows a particular religion, lives in specific region, may discrimination face and let them to feel inferior on the basis of color of skin. Even also discrimination on the basis of color even we found in India today. The color of the skin is given in more important in India even today. One of the example that the color of the skin when the Europeans are different and they are differentiating India for long time, even after independence, the discrimination in India is still alive. Even today, people discriminated on the basis of their profession. Some works like sweeping, cleaning, manual work are not allowed in the society to give respect, and we do not want to be a friend with them. Even we are make them separate places for these types of people. Even in today India also we found. When we are talking about economic background, the difference in people who are poor, do not have resources or money to meet their basic needs like food, clothes, shelter, they have faced discrimination. We found discrimination in various places, in hospitals, in school. The people are treating very badly. On being discriminated against, in that we know that in India the caste is divided into 4 groups. The 4 groups are Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. And Brahmins are considered to be the origin of the god. Brahmins who teach or preaching religious activities in the temple. Kshatriyas belongs to the class where they were warrior and brave soldiers. They used to go to the king's army because they considered as strong and brave. Next is Vaishya. Vaishya, those who were businessmen, traders, merchants. Last is Shudra, those who used to serve other three classes, that is Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and some born in lower caste, or we can say in Shudra family. Consider them impure or lower class, and they have to serve other three upper classes of the caste. Even they had found discrimination in various ways. Example, if people belongs to a Brahmin and Kshatriya class, they are given small punishment and same for same crime. But the same crime done by the Shudra class, they were given a big punishment, which is not good. And during struggle for independence, people like Jyotiba Phule, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rao Bhimrao Ambedkar had come in front and start the reforms regarding the discriminating of the people. Even in Indian Constitution, various laws had been formed for the lower caste people, so that they are now not being treated as lower caste, or they have get equal rights, equal respect. Even Mahatma Gandhi has used the word coin Harijans or untouchables for the lower caste people. So, this much today's session. Thank you, students.